If you are wondering if we have a memory card slot on Nothing phone for a Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. Of course, if you're looking for a microSD card slot on the SIM tray, unfortunately there is no microSD card slot available. There is no dedicated slot, nor there is a hybrid slot. So of course, sometimes on some smartphones, you can find a hybrid slot where you can decide if you want to use the second physical SIM card or the microSD card. In this case, unfortunately, that is not an option. You can only just use 2 SIM cards, and the microSD card cannot be used on the SIM tray. So the only solution actually in order to use the microSD card is to use a memory card reader with USB-C cable. So if you have a memory card reader with the microSD card slot, then you can connect it to your phone and then you can access the storage. And of course, yes, this is very inconvenient to use it on a daily basis, but that is not the point. That is not the point to use it regularly, day to day, every time. Of course, no one really wants to walk around with this accessory connected to the phone all the time. The point is to have the option to access the microSD card storage, access files that you have on the storage, and then of course eventually transfer new files onto that storage or transfer something from the microSD card to the phone storage. So that is the only solution, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.